Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to IDN Podcast, the space where insightful conversation meet a spectrum of knowledge. I'm your host, Tor Alvino, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. Explore a diverse perspective and bring you the latest insight on Build Box Semester 2. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey of discovery and connection. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into another episode of IDN Podcast. Oh, okay. Uh, what's your name?
Biasa Abdul Ismail, and you can call me Abi.
Okay. Now, I want asking something you about Buildbox.
Okay.
What is Buildbox?
So Buildbox is a platform that you can make a game like Unity, but you use nodes. So it's make you more easier and to make you easier to create a game. And you can input your asset in, and Buildbox can make 2D game or 3D game. So you can explore your game more big.
Okay, thank you. What game of Buildbox you already make?
So I already make for Buildbox. And the first is jumping cube, and second running ball, and the third is switching ball, and the fourth is the hardest one. That is crossing road.
Why the lastest, the crossing road, is the hardest?
Because crossing road it has so many assets. Because like if you know crossing road game in the phone, so you jump with the cube, and there is car in left right. So many assets in there, and sometimes my laptop lagging because the asset is so many.
What the easiest game you make on Buildbox?
The easiest game I make is jumping cube, because jumping cube only a obstacle and a cube where always move, and you just only jump to dodge it.
Do you have idea to make another game of Buildbox?
I have like Dino game in 2D, so I have an idea to make 2D games like Dino game. The concept is almost same like jumping cube, but it's jumping Dino and it's 2D. So you can get the asset from Buildtool, yeah, because so many, and I want to make that Dino game.
The Dino game you make, it's hard or easy?
The Dino game I make, it's I think little hard, little easy, because that's the first time I make Buildbox. So I learn first what is Buildbox, and then I make that Dino game.
Okay. In your opinion, more hard what, the 3D or 2D game?
Absolutely, 3D game is more hard because and it's harder too, because you must, if 2D you only move right and left. If 3D you can move in front, forward, backward, right or left.
What the fourth game you make in this semester your favorite?
My favorite is crossing road, but the other still my favorite, like running ball. The running ball one, I changed the enemy to the pocong ghost, if you know.
Oh yes, you know the spooky running ball.
Yeah, the spooky running ball. And I changed the ball to spike ball, and the environment is like a spooky forest. So it's like you must run to that forest, and that game is infinite, so you never win. And the one game is switching ball. Switching ball, you only move left and right, so you must avoid to fall from the platform.
Okay. From that fourth game, what the mainiest obstacle on the game?
Mainiest obstacle, I can say it's running ball or crossing road, because crossing road so many cars, So there's a car, there is a lock, there is a train, and there is water too. And the running ball, I have like so many different obstacles like rock, pocong, ghost, and the rock. If you know what the name, a game that you run on the train.
Oh yes, I know. Subway Surfers.
Yeah, exactly. Subway Surfers, and it's like the so the rock is like the obstacle of the train.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you. From that 4 game, what you can take the lesson from?
The most I take lesson from the game is absolutely crossing road, because I put so much time in that game. I'm searching about what is crossing road and what is the code and the asset. I search in the library of the build box.
Yes, the box.
Yeah, the build box asset library. I search it one by one, and I learn how this game concept. Then that's the most game I take lesson from.
Before you say so many crossing road about the hardest, the longest. How much time you make the crossing road? Like how many days?
First, so my friend give me a simple crossing road, so it's not.
Oh.
Actually, the cube is for platform, but I changed the game system, so the cube become two enemy. I make the game on like 3 days or 4 days until final. And the main menu, I make the main menu, the die menu, and search for the phone like that.
Okay. What the shortest time you make for the 4 game?
Shortest time is jumping cube. Well, it's very easy. You just jump and there's an obstacle, so easy to make.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining us on today episode of IDN Podcast. If you enjoyed the conversation, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share with your friend and family. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more engaging discussion in the future. Until then, this is Tori Calvino.
This is Abiasa.
Signing off, remember to stay curious and keep the conversation flowing. See you next time on IDN Podcast. Assalamualaikum.